Well, and there she is. How nice. I think it looks so good. I got a couple little runs up there that I'm gonna have to fix, but that's okay. I'll just sand them off a little bit and repaint. This is the closest thing that I found to O'Day's cream color. This is Hatteras Off-White. Yeah, it looks really nice. I did also the bathroom head, I should say. It looks so very nice. I love the fact that it's high gloss and shiny. I have my hair in it. I did both sides. Yeah, but I still left some of the brown trim because I think it's a good look for sailboats. Yeah, I got paint in my hair. So I'm gonna have to go home and figure out how to get that out. It's rather sticky. It's all done, nice and shiny. It's so fresh and so clean. Like and subscribe, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna put this boat back together, and yeah, I'm gonna get to it because we might go out sailing tomorrow. Who knows?